We're vouchers for the plaintiff, Clark. You may proceed. Good afternoon, Dr. Bashir.
Good afternoon.
We would agree that Jesse was there on the day of August 18th, right after the incident.
That's correct.
And you are here today to assess whether there was a false confession written by Jesse Durant.
That is correct.
Now, you're being paid $400 an hour for this case.
That is correct. That's my standard rate.
And you're being paid for an extra 20 hours to be here today at that same rate.
That is correct.
You would agree, Ms. Bashir, that Jesse was not coerced in any way to write this confession.
There's no evidence of that in any written reports.
So, no, is my answer.
It is odd that they're not in reports, but no.
And you would agree that the police did not tell Jesse to write this confession.
Not verbally, but he was handed a pen.
You would also agree that Jesse just started writing on this piece of paper without being asked.
There are reports that state he was not asked.
So that's a yes to my question.
Could you repeat the question?
Jesse just started writing on this piece of paper he was given in the affidavits you reviewed.
That is what the reports state, yes.
And there's no record of Jesse having any mental disability.
No, there's no records of that.
There's no record of Jesse having any cognitive disabilities.
That is correct as well.
So you have no evidence to correctly come to a scientific degree of certainty that Jesse Duran was coerced into writing this confession.
That is true. There's no concrete evidence.
No further questions, sir. Redirect.
Briefly.
You may.
Dr. Bashir, the defense just asked you about a couple indicators of false confessions that were not present, such as the lack of a cognitive impairment. However, are the indicators that you did find, such as age, indicative of a false confession?
Yes, they are. Age extremely increases the risk of false confession.
So despite the lack of these two indicators that the defense just listed, you would still say that the statement produced by Jesse Durant is likely to be a false confession, correct?
There is a possibility, and yes, it is likely.
Thank you. No further questions, Your Honor. If there is no recross, I ask
No recross, right.
I ask that my witness be allowed to step down from the stand.